Welcome back to the video, guys. Today we're going to be doing brake lines, the front brake lines, and then after that we put the front end back together, the winch and everything, and she is actually ready to be put tires on, and we can see what she looks like. So without further ado, these are the front brake lines. This goes over to the front passenger side. I would recognize that as the right side, front right. This one in the back here goes to the front left, driver's side. So all we're going to need is a 14mm wrench. And then we're going to want to get up here on this sensor because it is a sensor. So be careful with it. We don't want to damage it in any way. We can just unscrew it with our hand. I know it's hard for you guys to see, but we'll show you in just a minute what we are doing here. Alright guys, camera died on me. Or the light died on me, I mean. So here's your brake switch. Mine was actually broke. We've been having an issue with her tail lights, and I never really dug into it, but I found a cracked wire right at the edge of this thing. I should have videoed fixing it, but I didn't. I just put my own wires on there, and I tripled it up with some heat shrink tubing here in hopes that it'll keep it from doing that again. So without further ado, whenever you pull this thing off, you're gonna have 3 of these, and I'm gonna show you how they go. Don't lose those. You need 3 of them, remember that. So here's the brake line we got disconnected. We're gonna bring it down here. We got the new brake line back here. So we're gonna get our brake switch. We're gonna put one of those copper things on her, just like so, and she's gonna slide in just like this, actually, just like that. Then we're gonna get our new line, and we're gonna get one more copper, O-ring, put it in there, then our line, our second line, and then copper, just like that. I'll finagle it so it goes in. Remember, don't lose those. This is sort of a pain in the rear setup, but I guess it gets the job done for CFMOTO. Yeah, this isn't the most pleasant job in the world, but it's not hard. So once you got it in there, you'll want to take your 14mm wrench and snug it up. Definitely want it to be tight. Not like herky-jerky tight, but tight. That should be good. Now you're going to want a 12mm wrench so we can change it out here at the caliper. So you're going to have brake fluid go freaking everywhere. Don't forget, you're going to have your copper rings here too. Put it back in there. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Now we're going to want to get our bolts for here. These are the 10mm, if you remember back in video 1 of this build. We got a total of 3 bolts. There you go. I never put the last one in because it puts the cable at a bind. It's more free moving with the two. So that's just what I do. You can do you. I'm going to do me, but I only do the two. We repeat the same step on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and go do that now. And then we'll be back when it's time to put the front bumper together and all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Thank you for watching. Those of you, I've had many people ask me what these look like low. So we're waiting on the front EX shocks, so the trail shocks are on here. So technically this is an EX with a set of front trail shocks on it. With that being said, I've had a lot of people, I'd probably guess about 50 people, said they live in different countries and they race these and they wanted lower center of gravity and wondered what they would look like. Now, with the trail shocks, it's still stiff as crap. I would say you would have no suspension travel, but it actually looks pretty darn mean now, don't it? I kind of think it's cool if you wanted one for like a street rig or something, throw some fatties on here and away you go. But it's not ideal, but it does look cool. So that answers you guys' question on that. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I definitely wanted to thank Main Street Cycle for sponsoring this build. It has been an absolute blast, and I can't wait to finish the rear end. We are waiting on front shocks and rear axles. Everything else I have. In another video, we're going to show you how to bleed the brakes, but I can't bleed the brakes until I get the rear done. So stay tuned for the for the brake bleeding video, because that'll be in a few more. We'll get that out to you so you know how to do it. If you need anything, check out Main Street Cycle. They stock a lot of parts. They can get you anything you want, basically. I get a lot of questions, but do they ship? Yes, they ship. Yes, they'll ship to Canada. That's a yes, 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 guys. They will take care of you. You don't have to live here. You can live in Canada, and they'll still take care of you. They're just good like that. If you're looking for a new machine and it's worth the trip to you, go over there, because I know they'll take extra care of you because you made that trip. Trust me, guys. Trust me on that. They'll take extra good care of you. They got machines for very low payments. Actually, I don't even know how they get away with it, but some of the machines they got are lower payments than what we had on these. That's good. And I thought these were low that we had. So definitely affordable payments over there. They got everything. They don't just carry power sports stuff. They do all kinds of other stuff. Definitely check out their website at mainstreetcycle.com, and you can see just everything that they have in stock and everything that they do. And keep in mind, not everything is on their website because it's a work in progress. But if you send them over a text message saying, hey, I'm looking for this, they're definitely going to get it for you if they don't have it in stock. 9 times out of 10, they got it in stock. So definitely go over and check them guys out. The customer service is top notch over there, guys. And listen, I've had quite a few people say about their overpriced clutch kits. They're not really overpriced because they're getting their kits straight from CV Tech. It's not some knockoff off-the-wall kit that you're getting on eBay. Another thing that you're getting with their kit is support, tech support, basically. You're not getting that on eBay. So if you get something on eBay, who are you going to call if you're having an issue? Not eBay. You're going to call Main Street Cycle, and they're going to help you out. They're going to show you what you need to do. And if they're having a hard time, you can always come to me. I'm willing to help you. But I guarantee between me and them, we'll get you on the road and we'll make you happy with a big old smile. So guys, I don't want to hear any more of that stuff because their prices back up their customer service. I don't know about you, but I'm always willing to pay more when I get good customer service. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys are learning some stuff out of this. And if you would, please become a channel member or a Patreon. I actually do have a board on order. It's coming. We just got to figure out where we're going to put it. Probably somewhere up there. Put our Patreons and our channel members on. Now, one other thing I want to mention is yesterday I dropped a video. If you're a Patreon, you'll be able to see it. If you're a channel member, you'll be able to see it. Only them guys can see it. Otherwise, it'll be coming out after Christmas. And, yeah, I didn't even give you a secret or a hint in this one. So, alright guys, peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one.